Hello everyone, it's Michael here today. I am going to show you a simple way to convert your typed text into tables. Let's get started. As you can see, I have my text separate with a hyphen. Let's go ahead select the text by highlighting. You can also use the shortcut keys by holding Ctrl and the letter A keys together. Navigate upwards and click on the Insert tab. Click Table. In the drop-down, select Convert Text to Table. In this pop-up, you can make adjustment to the number of columns as well as choose between paragraphs, commas, tabs, etc. depending on what you separate your text with. In my case, I will choose hyphen and click OK. Now we have our table. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, kindly like and subscribe for more.